How to log out of your Genshin Impact account on your PS5. What's up everyone, in today's video I'm going to tell you guys how to easily log out of your Genshin Impact account on PS5. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's continue. So as of today, Genshin Impact does not have a direct logout button on your PS5, but what you can do is you can access your PS5 account and try to log out from it. Or you can try to switch account on your PS5. But if that still doesn't work, then what you will have to do is contact Genshin Impact support team. In order to do that, here is the official email for Genshin Impact team. Now you just have to quickly go ahead and compose a email to this Gmail right here, genshin_cs@hoyoverse.com, and on subject you are going to write signout issue. And once you do that, on your body you will have to provide your email, your username, and then your cause of this email, telling them that you have to sign out of your account on your PS5, and Genshin team will review your email and reach back to you with a possible solution. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.